not only in USA but throughout the world. I am Shalini Menon, delegate for the country USA in ICA British Council International School Awards Journey, Activity 1, Evolution of Means of Communication. Attention to my dear children. The first celebration of this day was held in September 1951. Originally celebrated as a day, but now it has become a week of celebrations. Raises awareness about types and causes of hearing loss. The achievements of deaf people are celebrated. Spreads awareness about deaf culture. Widely celebrated in schools to teach about the problems faced by disabled people. Camps are organized to teach people about healthy lifestyles and eating habits. Being deaf is not a disability. This is a day of celebration, but it is not a holiday. It educates people about preventions related to the ear. As we are undergoing this ICA BC ISA journeys, Activity 1, Evolution of Means of Communication, see how the deaf are our friends communicating through their sign language. Let's pray and wish for the deaf around the world.
I am Rinsha Labish, delegate of Activity 1, Evolution of Means of Communication, on behalf of ICA International School Award Journey. My dear students, today World Deaf Day. In China is home to 20.54 million deaf people according to the latest data available on China Disabled Person Federation website, which is nearly 30% of the 72 million deaf people worldwide as per the World Federation of the Deaf figures. As the world celebrates the International Day of Sign Languages on September 23rd, which also kickstarts the International Week of the Deaf, there is a global focus on the full realization of the linguistic rights of people with hearing disability. Appropriately, the International Day of Sign Languages theme for this year is Sign Language Rights for All. China's State Language Commission released the first national standards for sign language last year after some years of meticulous research. Implemented from July 1st, 2018, the National List of Common Words for Universal Sign Language contains 5,000 common words of daily usage and is expected to help those with hearing disabilities across the country to communicate more effectively. Earlier this year, Chinese hospitals began adopting the sign language to treat hearing impaired patients. There are more than 300 different sign languages collectively used by deaf people globally, and also a standardized international sign language which is used by deaf people in international meeting and formally while traveling and socializing. There are some strategies and actions have been planned in partnership with International Telecommunication Union through a multi-stakeholder collaboration involving experts from professional associations, civil society organizations, and the private sector as well as users themselves. These are the first one, the World Health Organization International Telecommunication Union Global Standard for Safe Listening Devices and Systems. The second one, Communication Campaign for Safe Listening. And the last one, develop a regulatory framework for control of exposure to sound in entertainment venues. So my dears, this is not only in China but around the world. Today, let us celebrate it and let's pray for them, understanding how difficult and how they learn to communicate. Thank you.
Hearing loss is a terrible thing because it cannot be repaired. I am Beena, delegate for the country Mongolia in ICA British Council's International School Award Journey ISA Activity 1 Evolution of Means of Communication. In Mongolia, hearing loss in children is often discovered late, which has a negative impact on their development. The HEAR, the World Foundation, globally promotes awareness for the topic of hearing and hearing loss and thus actively contributes towards the prevention of hearing loss. In Mongolia, there is no universal hearing screening for infants. The consequence for children with hearing loss can be severe. If a child's hearing loss is detected late, it can permanently affect its development, as the critical years of language development are from the birth to 5. In Mongolia, with the support by the HEAR, the World Foundation, GFCHL, that is the Global Foundation for Children with Hearing Loss, plan to implement hearing screening programs to support babies and children identified with hearing loss. The aim of the project is to yearly screen 35,000 to 40,000 newborn babies and children under 5 hospitals in Ulaanbaatar and provide further treatment. The future aim is to scale out the service to provinces and provide screening devices to maternal and regional hospitals outside Ulaanbaatar so that pediatric audiological care becomes also accessible to public living in the countryside. Dear children, we must realize the Deaf Day is not a day to merely extend our sympathies to the deaf, but to see it as an opportunity to make a difference in their lives. Deafness is not a handicap or disabled. Hard of hearing individuals are just as capable and intelligent as hearing individuals. The only difference is in the means of communication. So, my dear children, let's pray for the deaf people, not only in Mongolia but all around the world. And from the bottom of our heart, let's wish them a very happy World Deaf Day.
I am Shiba, delegate of Activity 1, Evolution of Means of Communication on behalf of ICA British Council International Journey. My dear children, today being World Deaf Day. In India, every 4th child born is hearing impaired, and the incidence of the problem is more in the rural and below poverty line population. Hearing loss not only affects hearing sense, it also affects the spoken language, which is very important in life for communicating with the outer world. These kids are otherwise normal and sometimes highly competing in every aspect with the normal children. Hearing loss is not a visible disability like blindness and locomotor disabilities. Hence, it has been given less importance by the government and society in India. We have advanced technology to test hearing loss immediately after birth and technologies that can treat all kinds of hearing loss. Because of the lack of awareness in the society about identification of hearing loss and need for an early intervention, the benefits of the new technology is incomplete. There is a need for an action and improvement by the government, NGOs, that is non-governmental organizations, professionals, concerned citizens and organizations. Throughout all these countries, Deaf Day is being celebrated in remembrance of them. So we can appreciate them for how they learn to communicate. Good day.